Train?
Zoo train. A small tourist train often found in zoos. Used to take visitors around different animal exhibits.
Is he having fun?
Metro Train.
Metro train. An urban rail system operating mostly underground or on elevated tracks for quick city transport.
Is he having fun?
Tram Train.
Tram train. A hybrid vehicle that can run both on city tram tracks and mainline railway tracks.
Is he having fun?
Subway Train.
Subway train. An underground train system designed to move large numbers of passengers efficiently in big cities.
Is he having fun?
Steam Locomotive.
Steam locomotive. A classic train powered by steam, symbolizing the beginning of the railway era.
Is he having fun?
Snowplow Train.
Snowplow train. A special train equipped with plow to clear snow from railway tracks.
Is he having fun?
Roller Coaster.
Roller coaster. An amusement park ride that uses a rail track with sharp turns and steep drops for entertainment.
Is he having fun?
Regional Train.
Regional train. A passenger train serving short to medium distances between nearby towns or cities.
Is he having fun?
Passenger Train.
Passenger train. A general term for trains designed to transport people rather than goods.
Is he having fun?
Military Train.
Military train. A train used by the Army to transport troops, weapons, or supplies.
Is he having fun?
Long Distance Train.
Long distance train. A train that travels over large distances, often providing sleeping and dining services.
Is he having fun?
Light Rail.
Light rail. A modern lighter train system for urban and suburban transportation.
Is he having fun?
High-speed train.
High-speed train. A fast passenger train designed to travel at speeds above 250 kilometers h.
Freight train.
Freight train. A train that carries cargo and goods instead of passengers.
Busy having fun.
Double-decker train.
Double-decker train. A passenger train with 2 levels to increase capacity.
Busy having fun.
Electric train.
Electric train. A train powered by electricity from overhead wires or a third rail.
Busy having fun.
Diesel locomotive.
Diesel locomotive. A train engine powered by diesel fuel, often used on non-electrified tracks.
Busy having fun.
Bullet train.
Bullet train. A Japanese-style high-speed train known for its streamlined design and extreme speed.
Busy having fun.
Funicular.
Funicular. A cable railway used for steep slopes, often found in hilly cities or tourist areas.
Busy having fun.
Intercity train.
Intercity train. A train connecting major cities, offering faster service than the regional lines.
Busy having fun.
Monorail.
Monorail. A train that runs on a single rail, often elevated above ground level.
Busy having fun.
Sky train.
Sky train. An elevated rapid transit system commonly found in modern cities like Bangkok or Vancouver.
Busy having fun.
Kid train.
Kid train. A miniature train for children, usually found in parks or amusement areas.